How to deactivate Facebook except Messenger. Now you want to deactivate your Facebook account, but you still want to keep your Messenger account so that you can communicate with your friends. Now to do that, it's very simple. Open up Facebook, then tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, then tap on the gear icon over there, which is the settings icon. Once you tap on the settings icon, tap on Account Center, and once you go to Account Center, go to the option called Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, and then select your Facebook account from here. As you do that, right over here you can see the option called Deactivate Account. So when you deactivate account, by default, only your Facebook account will be deactivated, and it says you'll still be able to continue using Messenger. So do not worry, just select Deactivate, tap on Continue, and then your Facebook account will be deactivated after you enter your password, but then your Messenger account will still be active and you'll be able to communicate with your friends. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.